Hi! In this circuit, we use the components like the push button and LED, along with the power indicator circuit we built earlier. Let's build this circuit in Tinkercad and simulate it. We will first build the power supply circuit, which will be common for all our further projects. Let's draw the components mentioned on the circuit diagram seen earlier. So, we will draw the USB standard A connector, LED, red, and resistor of value 1 kilo ohms. We will connect as follows. The 5-volt positive of the USB to the terminal 2 of the resistor. This is positive line, so we shall select the wire color red. Terminal 1 of the resistor to the anode of the LED. Cathode of the LED to the ground of the USB connector. This is negative line, so we shall select the wire color black. We will now complete the rest of the circuit, for which we shall draw the push button, resistor of value 470 ohms, and the LED, white, from the components library and wire them as follows. Terminal 1B of the push button to the terminal 2 of the resistor 1 kilo ohms. Terminal 2A of the push button to the terminal 2 of the resistor 470 ohms. Terminal 1 of the resistor 470 ohms to the anode of the white LED. Cathode of the white LED to the cathode of the red LED. We have now completed the circuit. Let's start the simulation. Glowing red LED indicates the circuit is powered, but the white LED is not glowing as the circuit is open. When we push this button and close the circuit, the white LED glows. When we release the push button, again the circuit is open and the white LED turns off. This is how we light up an LED. This circuit has many applications. A few examples could be torch light, decorative lights, and so on. You can now build your own circuit, download the image file, and submit in the assignment. Circuit explanation. In this project, the current flows in 2 paths. The path 1 is a power indicator circuit seen earlier in Project 1. When powered up, the red LED glows, indicating that the circuit is powered. In path 2, push button, resistor of 470 ohms and white LED are connected in series with the USB DC power. When you press the push button, electric current flows from the positive 5-volt terminal of the USB through the push button, resistor, white LED and to ground, negative, completing the path 2 and forming a closed circuit. As soon as the current flows in the closed circuit, the white LED glows. When the push button is released, the path is interrupted and therefore the LED goes off. This circuit is used in many applications. One of them is torch light. Have fun! Cheers!